This is my first time.
So it's been at least 4 years.
It's probably been about 4 years now. I think my first time was maybe in 2017 when I found this place.
I had the noodle soup with beef. I liked it. I normally don't get this at a Thai restaurant, but it was great. It's nice, spicy, and I like the meatballs, the amount of meatballs, and the beef was good.
I had the beef cashew, and it's my first time getting it, but I was pleasantly surprised. Start off, the spiciness was actually right on. It wasn't too spicy, it wasn't too bland, but really the seasoning was well done. The beef was actually pretty tender, so overall I would say it was pretty solid dish.
So my favorite dish is the pad see ew because it tastes fairly authentic compared to other places that I've been to before.
I'm really big on the pad see ew, so.
I love noodles. I love the beef pad thai because I love the flavor of the beef.
My favorite dish here is definitely the crispy garlic chicken.
If I was going to recommend an appetizer, I'd probably recommend their papaya salad.
Like I said, I think the Thai crispy chicken, in my opinion, may be geared for a more classic American taste, which ends up being a little sweeter. But obviously everybody likes crispy fried food, and it's got a good sauce. The pad thai is a fantastic dish as well.
If you like spicy, I would get like the pagapao, which is like the basil pork, and order that a little spicy, and it's really good there.
I like coming here because of the atmosphere and the great service.
We tried a couple Thai restaurants and it wasn't good. And then when B Thai opened, we were like, oh yes, and I haven't left since.
There, I think the B-Thai has a really good, diverse selection compared to the rest. They have a lot of dishes that I don't find at a lot of the other restaurants. Service has always been really good, so I always come back.